If you need to request a refund from Vrbo, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure you have all necessary information ready before you begin. Step 1. Review the cancellation policy. Check the cancellation policy of your booking. Each property has its own terms regarding refund, so understanding these rules is crucial. Step 2. Gather your information. Collect all relevant details such as your booking confirmation number, the dates of your stay, and any correspondence with the host. This information will be needed when you contact customer support. Step 3. Contact the host. Reach out to the property owner or manager directly through the Vrbo platform. Explain your situation and request a refund according to the cancellation policy. Step 4. Use the Vrbo Resolution Center. If you cannot resolve the issue with the host, go to the Vrbo Resolution Center. Here, you can formally submit a request for a refund and provide any necessary documentation. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, keep track of your communication with both the host and Vrbo customer service. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time, follow up to check on the status of your refund. In conclusion, obtaining a refund from Vrbo involves understanding the cancellation policy, communicating with the host, and utilizing the Resolution Center if necessary. By following these steps, you can navigate the refund process more effectively.